feet or less.
There it is.
Here is a winter storm warning for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Licking, Madison, and Pickaway. Winter storm warning in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. What? Heavy snow continuing. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches.
What?
Where? Portions of central Ohio. When? Until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages.
Oh.
Here is a winter storm warning for the following county: Greene, Ohio. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. What? Snow continuing. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches. Where? Portions of southeast Indiana and southwest and west central Ohio. When? Until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Here is a winter storm warning.
Alright, I have to say, that was completely unexpected because the snow amounts were expected to be maybe like 2 inches at most when I saw the thing. That's why I didn't bring anything with me, and now all of a sudden I'm under a winter storm warning for 3 to 6 inches.